Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize tax category mapping in BrightPay, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open BrightPay and log into your account. Navigate to the settings menu located on the sidebar. Select the tax categories option from the settings drop-down. Here, you will see a list of current tax categories. Identify the tax category you wish to authorize for mapping. Click on the selected tax category to open its details. Review the tax rate and other relevant information. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure accuracy. Next, locate the Authorize button at the bottom of the page. Click on the Authorize button to initiate the mapping process. A confirmation prompt will appear on your screen. Review the information in the prompt for accuracy. If everything looks correct, confirm the authorization. Once authorized, the tax category will be updated in the system. You can now return to the tax categories list to see the changes. Always ensure to save your settings before exiting. Check that the authorized tax category is properly reflected in your account. This process enables you to keep your tax categories up to date. Regularly review your mappings to avoid potential discrepancies. This completes the authorization of tax category mapping in BrightPay. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.